Hello everyone, my name is Erin Vogel and I work with McGraw-Hill Higher Education. I'm here today talking with you to show you all how you can register for your Connect Math course that you're taking this semester. The first thing we want to do is make sure that you have two pieces of information. One is your course code for your class that you're registering for, and the second is going to either be your access code that you've purchased at your bookstore with your bundle, or a 2-week trial code from your professor. So once you have those two pieces of information, what we do next, as a new user, we're going to go to the top here on connectmath.com and click on Sign Up under New User. The next step here is you'll enter your course code. So I'm going to enter mine here, and then next click Continue. In this screen here, you're just confirming that you're enrolling in the correct class, day and time, and then also with the correct professor. Once this information is correct, make sure you just go to the bottom and select Confirm. And now this is asking if you've ever used Connect Math before. If you are taking Connect Math in another course, you can simply click Yes, I have a Connect Math account and enter your login information for that course. If not, just click No, I have never used Connect Math and go to the bottom and select Continue. On this screen, what we'll do here is just create an account. So you'll want to enter your information. And just enter your email information again. Make sure your email addresses match. If you have your student ID number, you can enter that in here and then create your password. And lastly, make sure you click the I agree to terms and then we'll click Continue. And now it's generated an user ID or a login name for you. So it's usually the first initial of your first name followed by your last name and some numbers. So you'll want to make sure and write this information down here because this is what you'll use to log in each time you're accessing Connect Math. So next I'm going to hit Continue. And now it's asking me, do I have an access code or would I like to purchase one? So I mentioned earlier that if you've purchased your materials already from your bookstore, you would have an access code included. At this time, you could take that information out, scratch off the gray area covering the access code and go ahead and enter it in right here where it says access code. If you want to purchase online, you can simply do so by clicking No, I need to purchase access, or we can go ahead and enter our 2-week trial code. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my 2-week trial code in here, and this is something that your professor will provide for you. It will give you 2 weeks access for free into Connect Math until you can go ahead and purchase your materials. So once I do that, I'm just going to click Continue. And now you can see that my temporary access will expire on 2/21. So I'll click Continue again. And now this is taking me to my home page where I can manage my classes. Now that I'm on the home page here to manage my classes, you'll see that I have these bubbles directing me how to navigate this page. If I want those to disappear, I just simply click on the yellow light bulb and they'll disappear. If I want to bring them back, click back on the light bulb. You can see here that we have the Extend Access. This is where you would click if you're under temporary access right now and you want to enter your permanent access code. You simply click there, hit yes, and enter your access code in, and click Continue. In order to access your course, you'll simply click right here on the course name, and this will take you to your home page of your course. So that's how easy it is to register for Connect Math for your class this semester. Now that you have registered for your Connect Math course and you have your new username and login information, once you enter your class, it will take you to the home screen of Connect Math. This is where you'll be able to see your assignments listed below, as well as your navigation across the top. We're on the home page right now. You'll also have your gradebook, messages, resources, your ebook, calendar view, and your help button. First, I'm going to show you how to access an assignment. In order to do this, you'll just click on Start this assignment. And the first thing you're going to be presented with is a quick tutorial on how to navigate the home page. So it's giving you information about the different tools to help you throughout. I'm just going to click Next. And now you can see the pertinent information about your assignment. You see the number of questions, your due date, and how many attempts you get for each assignment. So we'll just click Start Assignment now to enter your assignment. You can see in this particular assignment we have 16 questions in total. You can simply click here and then go to the bottom, click Check Answer to see if you've gotten your answer correct. In this case I did. You can see I have a check mark here as well as a green check mark above problem number 1. I can jump over to another type of problem and click into the answer key and enter my answer and go down to the bottom and hit Check Answer. It's giving me some feedback here asking me to check my commas. So I'll hit OK, remove my comma, and click Check Answer. This one I got incorrect. If you need to use your tools over here to help you, you can do a Solve It that's going to solve the problem and prompt you to complete another one. If you want to walk through the guided solution, you can click on Guided Solution and it'll take you step by step how to work through this problem. You can also do a Show Example, and this will present you a pop-up window of a similar type of problem and allow you to come back and answer this problem. You also have your link to your textbook, your Ask My Instructor, and Print This Page. Once you've completed your assignment, or if you've worked a few problems and you need to save your work and come back to this later, you can either save your assignment for later or submit assignment. In this case, I'm just going to submit the assignment. It's going to tell me that I've answered 2 of 16 questions. I'm sure I want to submit. I'll click Submit. And now it's going to give me my grade for this particular assignment, and it will record that in my grade book. So you'll notice now I can come back in and try this assignment again if I want to improve my grade. So next we'll take a look at the grade book. And you can see within the grade book I now have my grade of a 6% recorded for this particular assignment. You'll have all the way up to your due date in order to go back in and improve this grade from a 6 to 100. This total grade right here will be reflected as you continue to submit your assignments in your grade book. Next, let's take a look at your Resources tab. So you have a sub-navigation here in your resources with additional practice problems. You have videos, reference, and course files. The practice problems are above and beyond your homework. You can simply select your chapter and it will default to the different sections. Click on Start this assignment and you can work on additional practice problems. On your video tabs, you'll select your chapter and your section, and it will provide you any of the videos that are relevant to that particular section. You can see that we have an animation, we have lecture videos, and we also have exercise videos for you to reference. You can use these as if you happen to miss class, if you're out sick, or if you just are working on a problem and you need additional help as you're working through that. On your Reference tab, you're going to see your workbook and your PowerPoints. You can download these and save these to utilize them as you need. You also have your course files. If your professor has made any different files available to you for your course, you would see these in the Course Files tab. And next we have our ebook in the upper right hand corner. If you click on the ebook, it will open in a new window. And you can simply jump to a different chapter and section of the ebook, scroll through and read your ebook here or reference any exercise problems you may see. You also have videos embedded throughout your ebook if you need to utilize those to help you understand a particular topic you're reading about. The last thing I want to point out is your Help button. If you encounter any technical issues while you're working in Connect Math, we ask that you please contact customer support. You can click on the link here and see frequently asked questions. In addition, you can click here to send an email or to get the phone and fax information. In the event that you do have a technical issue and contact technical support, if they're unable to resolve your issue over the phone, they will provide you with a case number. If it takes longer than 24 to 48 hours to resolve your issue, please send your case number to your professor and he can get in touch with us in order for us to resolve the issue. And that concludes our training for Connect Math. If you have any questions, you can always contact tech support or reference your frequently asked questions. Otherwise, we wish you the best of luck in your course. Thank you.